This 2024 Winnebago Navion 24V is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, smoke detector, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, water heater, spare tire kit, TV, awning, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Navion 24V is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.